Okay. So hey everybody, I'm back again. I'm gonna do this little mini short video. Survival, y'all. It's called survival. Don't give up. So yes, it has been a scorcher this year, guys, as you know. And stuff ain't doing good, y'all. But what I'm learning, because I actually just started gardening really last year. So what I'm learning is, with my outside garden, and it's a process. It might not produce you anything. You might be frustrated. Your growth might be very small or very slow growing, but don't give up. And that's what I'm learning. This is my don't give up year, really, because of the heat and the weather and the climate. I do have stuff that's growing, but and it looks nice. But some of my stuff, as I'm looking, I'm thinking my cucumbers and some of my stuff are starting to bolt a little bit, and either they're producing stuff and they're not lasting. Some of my stuff, but I'm not giving up. I water every day, continue to fertilize, and plus, not only that, I got this insect. These bugs are atrocious. They were atrocious last year, and they started to be atrocious this year, y'all. But with anything, especially gardening, especially plant growing, it's a process. So I want to show you what I'm talking about. So don't give up, guys. So let me just show you, because Bear said hurry up because I need to get on this Blackstone and make some breakfast. So, and like I said, once I start critiquing that, I'm gonna start doing some videos on that. But let me show you guys what I mean about don't give up. Guys, as you know, this is my garden here. It looks pretty good. As from video site, you guys might say, oh man, that looks great. But as you see up close, I'm starting to get some bolting issues. And I'm also getting some production issues. I got a lot of stuff that's flowering. It starts great. And it looks good. Starts great. But with this heat and this humidity, I'm just not getting the production that I feel that I'm supposed to be getting. Because of the heat and the climate, it's just not getting there. Last year when I started, my green stalk, especially when I started last year this time, as you see, I mean, I do have some stuff that's trying, especially when it's springtime. Tomato plants are starting to flower out, so, you know, hopefully by next month, if I don't cook it all the way off, or by August, I'll have something, at least something to produce some production. I do have some couple little peas on here. Some of the little things are starting. Now my peppers are coming out, yeah. And I've had lettuce grow. I've got a couple harvests on my lettuce already. So I'm starting to. I'm gonna have to cut down. I'm gonna have to cut down this lettuce because it's starting to grow. I have to step on my meat, y'all. Sorry. But my peppers are doing okay. They're coming out. Like I said, I'm not my tomatoes and stuff over there. I'm just not sure about it. We'll see. Keep prayer over it. Hopefully it'll produce something, y'all. But yeah, it's a slow process. This heat here and this humidity is no joke, guys. It really isn't. Started to see some lettuce come back. I did a couple of harvests. And that's another thing. When I did some harvests last year, my lettuce were doing okay. It's just I had a bug attack last year, and it really the bugs just came in one day, just zipped up all my lettuce and everything, and greens, everything. It was just. But I did this year, even with the heat, I did get some lettuce like 2 or 3 harvests. But on my second harvest, some of the lettuce, because of the heat issue, it was kind of bitter, and that's because of the heat. And look, one of my harvests, I didn't harvest it. I should have harvested sooner, guys, but I didn't. So that's probably part of the problem. when I harvest, I didn't harvest. Let me put this down, y'all. He just going all over the ain't nothing. But it did harvest. I did harvest my third harvest on this. The lettuce was a little bit bitter, and that's because of heat. So, yeah. And my onions and my garlic, I don't know. This heat is just doing it in. I'm gonna keep working on it until the fall. Hopefully by the fall, late September or something. If I keep working the soil, keep replanting. Because garlic and onion is, you can just replant that. That ain't nothing. If you buy garlic, you buy onion. You can, just stick that in the ground and you harvest that. That's especially if you get some organic can, but that ain't no big deal. But it's just the fact that it just, this heat is just cooking stuff. Same thing over here. My greens, they were starting out doing okay, but I think a lot of this, I'm starting to get a bug issue again, y'all, over here. I put some neem oil down, but I'm gonna have to go to the store and get some cinnamon and put it on these greens, put it on these greens and this mustard. But I did get one little small harvest out here. But yeah, between this heat is just, and the bugs, they're doing the job on it. So, and even my ever-resistant parsley is taking a hit, y'all. So I had to trim it down. As you see, it's starting to take a hit too. So yeah, stuff. And like I said, it's just the heat, it's hotness. We have a drought. So I'm thankful, even though stuff is not producing like, some of the stuff that I did have produced last year, they're not producing like they were this year. At least I have growth. So I'm thankful for that because, like I said, we are in a desperate drought. Every week they say it's going to rain. It doesn't. And look, as you see, our grass here is just cooked. Everybody has no grass, as you see, and it's front and back. So, I think in the neighborhood that I walk, I think there's like one person. This guy, he has a semi, and I won't even say his grass is good. He just has more green than everybody else. But he's watered his grass nonstop. And I'm not getting ready to do that because I'm already watering my garden. I do water the grass, but I'm not going to keep it a constant run because that's just a waste of our water bill, waste of the water supply because the heat is just, it's just droughting it out because we haven't had any water, any rain. So, yeah, this is what happens when farmers and, people who grow something, when they talk about, just think about, we complain about our grocery stores and stuff like that. Just think about the farmers and what they're going through. We go to Newbury, go to the farmers market, and, this year they said it's just, their production is just really slow and really bad because of the heat. So when you go in the grocery store and you pay these prices, part of that, this is why. That's why the stuff ain't lasting long, your prices are high, store produce is small and tiny. Well, this is why. Heat and global warming is really taking a toll on your harvest. But I'm not going to discourage you because also on the flip side is if we want stuff to grow, if we want to help our environment, if we want to help with this global warming process that's going to, if we don't do anything about it, it's going to get worse. We need to start growing our own stuff. We need to, even if it's a failed try, start it, try it, do it, and keep doing it until you get it right. I plan on keep doing it until, I kind of get it right. I don't plan on stopping because it's beneficial for me because I'm growing my own. It's beneficial for me and Barry, and I'm teaching my grandsons to grow their own. So just do it. Just try it. Get out and grow something, y'all. Peace. And don't give up. It's not up. Don't give up. Peace and blessings.